Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna do something different. That is, we're gonna learn Python instead of doing math. Okay, so we also have to get to the AI stuff, right? So let's just dive right in. So first of all, print. If you want to print something, for example, let's say hello world. Okay, I'm printing hello world, so we just follow this function, print this one. Uh, so this gives you the printing thingy. Okay, so when I put print hello world, you just see hello world in this box. You just ignore these, you know. I prefer you to maintain a textbook, not to write the definitions, but just to write the code and what will be the results of the code afterwards. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Name equals okay. Name equals. It's not. It doesn't necessarily be name. You know. It's not necessarily name. Input. What's your name? Okay. Why I'm assigning name is so that we can do the further coding. You always assign some, something. Okay. You can do anything. It doesn't have to be name always. But there's one rule. You can't add any spaces. Then you'll get error. So we define name is equal to input what's your name. Then print hello. Print name. Here we don't add the codes like this double quotes because the exact word will be printed. Instead of this one, uh, the exact word name will be printed. Hello name. Okay, so that's just dumb, right? So let's just say Harry Potter. I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. That's why. Hello Harry Potter. Okay. But we don't like this to be in two different lines. So what can I do is I can come up with a clever solution. Either I can do this, add the space, and then add a plus and put in name. Okay, same Harry Potter. Oh, not here. I'm a really big fan of Harry Potter. This is kind of cool. Okay, hello Harry Potter. You can also come with one thing. If you don't want to add the space in here, you can add the space after this separately. Okay, like this. Because if you don't add the space, hello Harry would have been a single word. So Harry Potter. See, hello Harry Potter. So that's it in this one, and then okay, print double quotes. Okay, hi, and then just add a comma, and then friend. Okay, for this one, after adding the comma, we you can see this one. Okay, and then again, friend. Uh, um, just a minute. Not this one. Yes. Okay. I did a mistake here. I forgot this here. Okay, now it's perfect. You'll just get hi friend. You don't need to do this. The problem is when you use this double quote here, and also in the outside part, like this, the Python might be confused. See, and see, it gives an error. So for this, you can come up with a clever solution. You can add a single quote here. No one instructed you to use the double quotes. If you add a single code, you'll exactly get the same thing you want. So that's a complex way, old tradition, and this is the new fastest way, you know? Okay, now this is where Python gets a little tricky. Um, name equals input of what's your name. Okay, and then print hello. Okay, just a minute. uh, Here I'll write the code, and after that I'll explain you so that uh, okay, now this F is because okay, wait a minute. This curly bracket, first of all, what is this? This is the value in name, okay? Like this is the one. This is curly bracket name, okay? So when you print this, it asks us for the input, Harry Potter I get, hello Harry Potter. But if you forget this F is nothing but print the function, not exactly what I say inside. If you don't have F, it prints exactly what I say inside. For example, Harry Potter. See, hello, curly brackets name. So this is so dumb, right? So that's why we come up with a clever solution writing the F. Harry Potter. So this might be confusing, but if you practice, I guess you must be able to do it. So that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we'll see on many more applications on Python. We'll continue and do many more cool stuff. So for today, it's over. So bye, like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my club link where we make future AIs. So bye, guys. See you tomorrow.